All right, we're in the last problem. We're going to finish the fourth grade test, rule of +7. And so when I'm going to have to add 7 to my inputs, make sure those are my outputs. So once in a while, I'll get asked, I'm spending what's the most important section of like the particular grade level. For me in elementary, anything that's the algebraic patterns, right? There's that strand that talks about algebraic patterns. That one's super important. Simply because this is where we apply all the math we're learning. So our fourth graders are learning how to add, right? Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. We practice that here. So we're looking for +7. So if I go here +7, I'm getting 8. We know this guy's out. But however, I can ask my students, what is the pattern here? Well, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is that one. So this pattern here, this one is times 7. And later on, this becomes y equals 7x. And that's why it's crucial that we understand the concept. The conceptual understanding is a lot more important than the procedural part, or that being able to just give me an answer. Yes, they need to know the times tables to a certain extent, but we can always skip count this to get here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Dun, 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 7 times get to 21 and so on. But I need them to see the pattern, right? And recognize, these little patterns here. Over here, for example, +7 is 8. That's not it. So what is it then? Well, if I go 6 plus 1, I get 7. 6 plus 2, I get 8. 6 plus 3, I get 9. 6 plus 4, I get 10. This is +6. I need them to recognize those patterns, the difference between multiplying, right? Those multiplication patterns, those addition patterns. That's crucial that they need to know that, right? Let's move over here. Let's just bring this over across right here. And let's see what we get over here. +7, 8, +7, 9, +7, 10, +7, 11, right? So this one is a +7. Well, all these tables we're looking for, they're all linear, right? Just that they have different linear properties. But that's, I know they're in fourth grade right now, but that kind of stuff we're going to start talking about as they get older. This is times 8, right? Times 8. 2 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Times 8 is 32. So we're applying all those operations that we learned. I don't know why I put 6, but this is times 8. Okay? And then they'll learn the difference next year between additive properties and, multiplicative properties, and then eventually proportional and then non-proportional, all starting with these linear functions right here. It's all linear for now. Later on it changes. But these questions are really important to me because they will be doing this like crazy when they get to secondary math. All right, we finished the test, guys. Let's see how we do this here. I think we're going to rock it.